The battle for the title of the best 360 camera has never been more intense than it is in 2026. Number 5 Camera Insta360 X4 Tutorial Series. In this video will guide you on how to get started using your Insta360 X4. Open the Insta360 X4 box. Inside you all find your Insta360 X4 camera. The box contain insert the micro SD card into the camera. Before use, remove the battery by flicking the battery cover switch inward with 2-finger. Insert the micro SD into the card compartment with the logo facing up, then reinstall the battery. Make sure that the orange indicator marks are not visible, as this ensures your X4 stay waterproof. Insta360 export charges transfer footage and connects accessories via its USB Type-C port. This port can also be used to connect external accessories that enhance your shooting experience. Insta360 export charges transfer footage and connects accessories via its USB Type-C port. Push the switch upward to open the USB cover and use the optical cable that came with the camera to connect and charge your X4. When charging an X4 is off, the indicator or light will stay red. Light turn of your X4 has finished charging. The USB cover is designed for easy plug and play of accessories when and the open. Easily install in accessories like the MIC adapter and the quick reader. Remember to check the Our store for the full range, and once you're finished using any accessory, close the USB cover and make sure the orange areas are not and the exposed inside the Insta360 X4 packaging and the accessories and this standard lens guard and thermo grip cover and included. T's perfect for creators, travelers, vloggers, and anyone who wants immersive footage with incredible detail. Along with the camera, the package includes essential accessories to enhance your experience and protect your device. Inside the box, you get the powerful Insta360 X4 camera, designed to capture stunning 360-degree videos and in ultra-high resolution. First, we have the standard lens guard. This is a must-have accessory because it protects your camera lens's comfortable shooting experience before you start shooting. You all need to download the Insta360 apps to activate your camera. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet and turn on both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Open the Insta360 app and connect the camera to it. The app will automatically detect nearby Insta360 cameras when connecting for the first time. Confirm the connection by tapping on the camera screen. Once connected, follow the steps on screen to complete activation. Once you are activated, you can really start to use your camera. If the firmware update prompt appears, you can click Start Downloads and follow the step-by-step instruction to ensure your camera is updated with the latest firmware from Insta360 Osmo 361 ST. Use attaching the battery and charging. Open the battery compartment cover. Make sure the battery is properly inserted. The camera has built-in storage and the support micro SD card for storage and expansion. Then and the slide battery compartment cover end until you hear a click. Open the USB-C PRT and cover. Connect a USB-C charge to the USB-C port and using the provided cable. And charge this using USB and the using C port cable. When charging is complete, close the cover. You can place 3 batteries into the multifunctional battery case for simultaneous charging activation. Make sure to activate the camera using DJI Mimo before first use. Press and hold the power button to power on the camera. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the mobile. Then and this device scan the QR code to download and install the DJI Mimo app. Run the app, register your account and then log in. After logging in, power on your device and make sure it is in pairing mode. The app will automatically detect the device nearby. Tap on the device name when it appears on your screen and confirm the connection request. Once connected successfully, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. You can now access all features, customize settings, and start using your device smoothly. Make sure your Bluetooth stays on and the device remains within range for a stable connection. If you experience any issues, simply restart the app or reconnect the device. After reconnecting, check if the device is responding properly inside the app. You can now explore different modes, adjust settings, and start using all the features according to your needs. If everything is working correctly, your setup is complete and the device is ready to use. Always keep your app updated to the latest version to ensure the best performance and access to new features. That's it for the setup process. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials and tips to power. Also, if you have any questions or run into any problems during the setup, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future uploads. I regularly post helpful guides, tips, and tutorials to make your experience easier and better. Your support really motivates me to create more helpful content like this for you. I'm always working on new tutorials, step-by-step guides, and useful tips that can save your time and make things easier for you. If there's any specific topic you'd like me to cover in future videos, let me know in the comments section. I read your feedback and suggestions carefully, and they help me decide what content to make next. Don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel as well. You might find more helpful tutorials that can improve your experience and teach you something new. GoPro Max 2 True 8K 360 video and with up to 21% more resolution than the competition and 10-bit color. That actually means for creators is dramatically footage wide as you want POV get the shot not the pole. The real advantage of shooting in 360. Instead of worrying about framing while you film, on the action. Twist and Go replaceable lenses, world's toughest 360 camera, 6 mics for 360 audio, easy eye editing. This is 360 Max D.